Welcome. Thank you for visiting. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest tips, ideas, and inspiration, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications. Join our community and be part of the journey. Thank you. Prune and clear fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner eager to transform your living space, our hub offers a treasure trove of innovative ideas. With a focus on woodworking furniture, we showcase over 100 stunning pieces that blend functionality with artistry. From rustic farmhouse tables to sleek modern shelves, our curated collection emphasizes craftsmanship, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal. We believe that every piece of furniture has a story, and our goal is to inspire you to craft or choose pieces that reflect your personality and style. Dive into our curated inspiration galleries, detailed tutorials, and expert tips designed to empower you to elevate your home decor with unique, handcrafted furniture that stands out. Woodworking has long been celebrated for its timeless appeal and versatility in home decor. At Sari 11, we explore how natural wood elements can add warmth, texture, and character to any space. From classic oak to reclaimed barn wood, every type of wood brings its own charm and story. Our collection of over 100 woodworking furniture ideas showcases how craftsmanship can transform raw materials into functional art. Whether it's a handcrafted coffee table, a set of floating shelves, or an intricate bed frame, woodworking allows for customization and personal expression. We emphasize sustainable practices like using reclaimed wood and eco-friendly finishes, ensuring your creations are environmentally conscious. The beauty of woodworking lies not just in the finished product but also in the process. Each cut, joint, and finish reflects your dedication and skill. Rustic and farmhouse styles continue to dominate home decor trends, offering a cozy, inviting atmosphere. At Sari 11, we feature over 100 woodworking ideas that embody this timeless aesthetic. Picture distressed wood coffee tables, barn-style sliding doors, and reclaimed wood dining tables that bring rustic charm into modern homes. These pieces often incorporate natural imperfections, knots, and textures, adding authenticity and character. Our tutorials guide you through creating your own rustic furniture, emphasizing techniques like distressing, weathering, and natural finishes. The appeal of rustic furniture lies in its ability to blend tradition with contemporary design, making spaces feel warm and welcoming. Whether you prefer a minimalistic approach or ornate craftsmanship, our Inspiration Hub provides endless ideas to incorporate rustic elements into your decor seamlessly. For those who prefer sleek, streamlined aesthetics, our modern and minimalist woodworking ideas are perfect. Sari 11 showcases over 100 innovative furniture pieces that emphasize clean lines, functional design, and subtle elegance. Think of floating desks, minimalist bed frames, and geometric shelving units crafted from fine woods like walnut, maple, or cherry. These pieces focus on simplicity and practicality while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Our tutorials detail techniques such as precise joinery, smooth finishes, and innovative hardware to achieve the perfect modern look. Minimalist furniture not only enhances space perception but also provides a clutter-free environment conducive to relaxation and productivity. Whether you're furnishing a compact city apartment or a spacious modern home, these woodworking ideas will inspire you to create elegant, functional pieces that elevate your decor. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. Your support means everything. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Join our community and be part of our exciting journey. Thanks again.